Um, good. I am your professor. I am teacher Mark. Good morning, everyone. So, for today's morning is about we'll talk about topic about weather patterns and climate. So, pag you say weather patterns and climate, what's come up to your mind? Anyone from the class? For me, ma'am, is water climate is like difference the climates and weather. The weather is like with the weather is formed like climate change. Yes, that's good. Thank you for that, Miss. I did thank you for that, Mark. So, can you read everyone for the learning objectives? So, learning objectives: identify common weather: sunny, rainy, windy, cloudy. So, differentiative weather from climate. Explain how different weather patterns affect a region's climate. So, there are example of the climates other materials and so weather. What is weather? So weather is like like karon, ulan ba karon or dili? Din ginapasabot niya mo na siya ang weather. So can you read Miss isda? Can you read Vincent? Okay, okay sir. So weather is the condition of the atmosphere of central time and outplace change daily the overall patterns and of an area. Change occur over a long period. Weather describe the state of atmosphere at only any particular time. Weather can be described temperature, precipitation, so rain, hail, speed, amount of lightly. So weather is like motong I said earlier ang weather is like climate change, form of climate change and other. So weather is like weather lang ganun. So yeah, matawag yapon sa weather ang climate. Sin um, anyone for a class, what is weather? Ma'am, weather is weather is like weather is like cloudy. So that's example of weather, cloudy. So how about the sunny? Yes, this is makonsider niya po siya nga weather ang cloudy or rainy in other forms sa climate change. And eh, anyone, what is weather? For anyone, ma'am. Hi sir. So weather is like form of atmosphere, sir. Yes, very good. The weather is form of atmospheric and how about everyone, ma'am? Hi sir, sorry. What about temperature, ma'am? Hi sir. Yes, that's a good idea from weather. Weather is temperate form of temperature, temperature and at this describe the changes of our climate today in yeah. If maunsa pa nato ma-apply ba nato siya sa toang climate change like mag-change ba tong day karon nga mainit ba or dili. So next topic next. So yeah, na ta sa sunny weather. Can you read Miss Mark? Ay Miss Student Rhea? What is can you read the sunny weather? Sir. So sunny weather is an atmospheric state in which there is little cold cover little sunlight to reach the surface of the earth. It happens because of steady atmospheric conditions, usually in a system with high pressure, since rising air is typically required for cloud growth. The descending air in these systems prevents clouds from forming. Because of this, the sky seems pure and sunlight can reach the earth with no hindrance. So, can you give the example of sunny weather? Yes, yes, Ria. Answer. Answer like sunny weather temperature. Yeah. So So how about everyone? What is sunny weather? Sunny weather is sun. Yes, that's good. The sunny weather is like example of sun's surface and atmospheric systems with high pressure um, required. Anyone from the class will give example of sunny weather. What cancer? Cloudy weather. Yes, that's example of sunny weather. So yeah, sunlight. Yes, example pa rin siya sa sunlight. Yes, expose mo siya sa sunlight and sun. So yeah. So ma-reach niya ang atong earth sa pinakainit na lugar like mga halimbawa summer. Summer na ang summer vacation diha na gyud siya manggawas ang mga sunny weather. Ang din mga mga typically mag-air na sila, mag-air from clouds silang kusog ang hangin ba. Um, so they are the difference of types of weathers. We have the sunny, partly cloudy, rainy, stormy, and snowy. So yeah, we have the weather versus climate. So you can read this slide. Yes, Vincent, can you read please? Um, weather. Weather short-term state of the atmosphere can vary from time to time or location to location. Always includes the time and location. Pag mingon tag nga class nga short terms is mo na siya ang kanang weather like kanang time nga ulan jud like mag tayo og wata ka balom sige muulan ugma kana. Then naa jud siya sa exactly nga location kung asa siya muulan like magkuhan ba atong atmosphere mag-change ba murag-um ba. So gina-include gyapon yang time ug location nga unsa oras sa mahuman ang ulan and unsa oras sa mag-change ato ang weather. So how about the climate? Can you read Miss Pilapil? Yes ma'am. Yes sir. So yes, read. Long time pattern of weather. So long term 30 years or more. So mga tag climate like average weather of or many years in one specific place. So mga tag climate like so we who can give the example of climate? Ma'am. Ay sir. Yes. Example of climate is um, high temperature. Who can give another example of climate, ma'am? Kuan, ma'am. Dry tropical. Yes, that's great answer. The dry tropical like matawag gyapon siya nga climate kay mag-change man ato ang kuan panahon ay mag-change atong climate like untahay sa summer ato karon is dili ting init ting ulan matawag gyud siya climate or climate change. So yes, ang sample sa another example sa climate. And how about the cold and dry? Matawag gyapon siya nga climate, sir. Yes, that's great. Matawag gyapon siya nga climate. Climate ang cold and dry kay mag-change gyapon na siya. So, nanata sa weather. So, winter weather is the state of atmospheric in which the air moves significantly across the surface of the earth because air naturally flows from high pressure zones to low pressure zones happen as a result of variation in air pressure. The air moves more quickly when the pressure differential is larger we perceive wind as this movement of air other elements that might affect windy weather include variation in the pressure, the Coriolis effect, and the land's topography. So may tag windy weather is windy weather is the State of atmospheric kanang kuan panahon sa ting tugnaw, like sa ano, give me example of windy weather. So example sa windy weather is like cold area like sa Japan matawag gyapon siyang windy weather, yes. Kay naman dito ang mga kanang tugnaw ba. So it happens like kanang air pressure weather is the larger than variation in temperature cause affecting the land. So gamay ra kayong chance nga mag-temperature sa ano, windy weather. So unsa may activities ninyo like to do a warm sunny day? Ay what activities do you like to do on a warm sunny day? Mag mag yes, what you are doing in warm sunny day? Like one sir mag mag-swimming. Yeah, mag-swimming, yes. How about Vincent? Kuan sir mag-replanting. Yes. Very good. So proceed na ta sa line, change topic. So what activities do you like to do on a windy day? So yes, Vincent, what activities do you like to do on a windy day? One sir mag-play, magkuan og snow. Yes. How about the others? What do you do in windy day? Sir, magkuan sir magdula og snow. Yay! So kuan gyapon siyang PDF mo. So proceed na ta sa cloudy weather, no? So cloudy weather of course due to the condensation of water vapor in the atmosphere, warm wind, warm most air rises in cools the water vapor within the condensed into tiny droplets of water or ice. Forming clouds, this is process is driven by change in temperature, humidity, and atmospheric pressure. So cloudy weather is like kanang kuan jud kayo siya, kanang common nga change nga atong climate is kanang like kanang dag-om ba mo na siya. Dag-om kayo niya, wala kay makita jud nga langit jud, as in puro ra mga sky cloudy ana. So what do you activities do you like to do on a cloudy day? Yes sir. Yes, Ivan, what do you like on a cloudy day? Kuan sir flying with a cat. Good, that's a good idea. So yeah, familiar the rainy weather? Yes ma'am. Yes sir. So rainy weather happens when clouds become heavy with little droplets that have formed to condense. Common kayo sa nga ano no nga rainy weather like makita yun nimo sa mga like kanang tingulan mo nang rainy weather when clouds become heavy kanang kuan mo ta murag kalit kanang pagka kay ang kanang blow sa langit ba. So moist kay siya nga sa atmosphere. It cools condense into the mag-condense siya sa ano, clouds when combined grow larger then become too heavy stays in the air. So what do activities do you like to do in a rainy day? May kanang kuan magpuyo sa balay siya. Okay. Sige. So may na topic naman nato ang difference sa climate change, no. We have sunny weather, cloudy weather, rainy weather, and climate. In difference sa mga ano, na topic naman nato itong mga difference sa weather o climate unsay kalahian nila o mga difference sa mga changes. So So karon mag-provide ko og video para mas masabtan gyud ninyo ang topic din. So para ma-enjoy gyud ninyo. Daw magkukuan na lang. Kasi mag-play. So, since di siya ma-view, no? Kini-kuan lang sa link. Thank you. So, nanata sa stormy weather, no? So, nanata sa what activities do you like to do on a rainy day? So, kuan jud like magpuyo ta sa atong balay, di ta magsiglaag-laag. So, sa mga activities ninyo? Kuan sir magpasilong sa balay, sir. Yes, that's good. Dili ta maglaglag, dili ta magdudula ning ulan. So, yeah. So, naala ko ipa-activity sa inyo, no? Activity 1. So, unsa may answer ninyo sa number 1? So, ma'am, rainy, ma'am, rainy. Yes, goods. That's an answer. How about the other groups? What about the picture, no? Picture sa ano day, picture. So, that's a cloudy, sir? Yes, very good. That's a cloudy. So, you have completed, so no, like, check for understanding. So, assignment na siya guys ha. Tomorrow na ipasa like, i-kuan lang ninyo, i-1/4 lang, i-1/2 lang ninyo crosswise. Then, write a short paragraph comparing your complete observation to the typical climate in your region. So, magkuan mo like, kung sa may na-observe ninyo nga climate sa inyong lugar, no? O ni ulan ba, o ni ilit, ni init. So, wow, thank you.